Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we will learn how to build this quad generator using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here when you click on this button, your random quad will be generated. So here we go. So let us start with our folder random quad. Let's open this folder on Visual Studio Code and create our file required index.html style.css and also JavaScript, that is app.js. So let us first start with HTML. I'll give it a title random quad generator with gen coder. Here inside the body we'll create div and I'll give it a class quad container, or just container you can give, and inside this div we'll have another div with class quad, and here we'll be having our quad. So and inside this div we'll have a span. Inside this span we'll just paste some random quad for now. Quad, yeah. So what should we pick? Okay, let us pick this one. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. Albert Einstein. So let us pick this and paste it here. And below this div we'll have another div. Inside this div we'll have a small, and I'll give here ID author, and here I will write the name of the author. So here it is. So I'll give one dash author dash. Yeah. So I think we need one button here on clicking on which will be changing our quotes, creating our random quotes button, and I'll give it a class button and ID quote button. Yeah, and then inside this button I'll get quote. So I think that's all HTML we need. Now let's connect our CSS and JavaScript files. So here let's link style sheet and href style.css here, and also we have to add our script file, script here. Source will be app.js. Let's close this, and that's all. Now let us start with our CSS. So first of all we'll give some default styling here for all: margin 0 and padding 0. So after this we'll add style to the body. Here the background color, yeah, you can give any. I choose this one for now. Okay, then text align center, display will be flex direction will be column, justify content will be center, align item will be center, and height 100 vh. And after the body we'll add style to container. Here first of all we'll give padding of 3 rem, background will be white, width will be how much? I will give it 70%. And after width, I will give border radius of what's wrong? Sorry, here it will be semicolon. Here border radius will be 12 pixel and border will be of 4 pixel solid black. So now let's check out if our style is working or not. Let's open this on Google Chrome. Yeah, here it is. It's working. Now let us add CSS to our text and all. Here it is. So after container, we'll add style to our this quote container. Here quote. Here it should be ID, not class. It should be ID. So I want to make it more specific. So it is ID. It will be different for every quad. Means there will be array of quad. So let's style here. First of all, I will be giving here font family of sans serif, letter spacing. I'll give 2 pixel. Line height, I will give line height how much? I'll give it 50 pixel. Let's check how does it look. Yeah, that's fine. And after line height, we'll give font size of 2 rem, and after font size, I'll give margin top of 2 rem, and width will be 95%. So let's reload. Here it looks great. Now after this quad container, we'll be adding style to our author container. This author, this one. So let's copy this, and as it is an ID, so we have to add CSS in this way. So first of all, I'll give margin top of 3 rem, then text align right, font family same, and font size I will give 1.2 rem. So now let's reload. Yeah, that's looking great. So here A is missing, so here it is. So after author, we'll be adding style to our span and small. This span and this small, and I will add here span comma small. Here I'll give animation of, I will give anim of 1 second is out. So we'll be adding this here at the rate keyframe. Identifier will be this one, anime here. So first of all, from opacity of 0, transform scale, there will be no scale first initially. 2, finally it will be opacity 1, transform scale 1. So here it is. So here you can see the animation here. So after this, we'll add style to our button element. Button here, this button plus. So here I will give margin top of 20 pixel, padding I will use shorthand 30 and 30 pixel. So let's check. Yeah, that looks good. And after this, I'll give background color What background color should I give? How does it look here? It's not that good. Yeah, let's check. That's okay. Now after this background color, I'll give border none, and cursor will be pointer, and border radius will be of 6 pixel. So now let's reload. Here it is. It looks fine. Now I want to add some hover effect on this button. So when you hover like this, button hover. So when you hover, it will scale to 1.03, and the border there will appear. Border will be of 2 pixels black solid black, and background color will change to I will change it to a bit lighter. Now let's check how does it look. Yeah, it's looking fine. Yeah, that's great. If I want to add animation here as well, uh, no, for now let's keep it as it is. Later on, if you want to edit it, just will change it. If you want to add some other style, you can add it here. So that's all CSS we need. Now let us work on our JavaScript part. Let me use one more thing here. Can give transition 1 second is. Let's check this. Yeah. Okay. 1 second is quite. Oh, 1.5 second. Yeah, that's great. No, 1.1 second. No, it doesn't good. It's better without transition. So now let us add our JavaScript part here. So first of all, let us select our elements. So first we have to select our button. I'll give it a name for button. Here document dot get element by ID. First of all, let us select this quad button. After this, we will select our quad container. Get element by ID. Here I will select this one. So and let us select our author. Yeah, you see author. Here we'll have document dot get element by ID. Here this we have. Yeah, we have author. So now that's all element we need. Now let us add event listener. So when you click on this button, so let us select our quad button, add event listener, that will be click, and when you click on this, we'll run a function name generate quad. Now let us create this function. Function here, let us create a random number to select all these elements. So before creating this function, we need the list of quads that we'll be selecting randomly. So I have handpicked few of the quad. I have the array of the quad, and I'll copy paste it. You can select of your own. So I just do it on my own so that you can save some time. So I'm just copy and pasting it. So yeah, now here we'll be creating the random number. Here random will be number dot parse int. Here math dot random will multiply by array of quad dot length plus 1, and after this here we'll add this quad to this quad and this author. Quad dot inner HTML span, and here we'll close it and we'll add it here. Here I will add the random quad element from the array. Here array of quad, and I'll give the random value here. I'll select a random quad from this array. Here this quad will be added to this element, and also I'll be doing same thing for author. Here author and author. Let's check now if it is working or not. Here it is. Our random quad generator is working perfectly fine. So you can select any, you can generate any random quad. So that's all I had for you today. I hope you like it, and if you did, just hit thumbs up and consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.